What if I told you 22 years of your life could disappear just because you kept saying, tomorrow? This is Arjun's story, and it could be yours. Arjun was 22. He lived in a small apartment in Mumbai. The walls were old. The paint was peeling. The streets outside were always busy. He had big dreams. He wanted to create an app that could help millions of people. But every morning, he pressed the snooze button. Every day he said, "Tomorrow I will start." And every day, tomorrow never came. His friends laughed at him. His parents worried. "Arjun, when will you do something with your life?" But Arjun only shrugged. "Relax, I will do it later," he said. Scrolling, watching videos, scrolling social media. One rainy evening, Arjun sat by his window. He watched water flow down the streets. Neon lights from shops reflected in the wet roads. Suddenly, a thought hit him. What if I wake up one day and realize I wasted my life? He shook his head. "Too dramatic," he whispered. That night, his old laptop, dusty and forgotten, turned on by itself. On the screen, a message appeared. "Arjun, today you must decide. Your dreams will not wait forever. Will you keep watching life pass you by, or will you finally live it?" Arjun's heart pounded. It felt like destiny had knocked on his door. The next morning, he woke up early for the first time in years. He stood in front of his messy desk, hands shaking. He opened his coding software. He stared at a blank screen. He remembered all the ideas he had buried under excuses and laziness. Hours turned into days. Days turned into weeks. Arjun faced problems he had never faced before. Errors in the code made him scream. Internet crashes stole hours of work. His friends laughed. "Why are you working so hard on something so difficult?" they said. But something inside him had changed. A fire had been lit. The voice from the laptop was not just a dream. It was a warning. He refused to waste his life anymore. One night, after endless nights of coffee and debugging, Arjun finally created his first app. It wasn't perfect. It wasn't viral. But it was alive. And when he shared it online, the first few users sent messages that made him realize the impact of his work. The real breakthrough came the next morning. Feeling tired, he went for a walk along the crowded streets of Mumbai. He passed a small tea stall. A group of kids were looking at a smartphone. They were laughing, pointing at something on the screen. Arjun stopped and watched. He noticed their eyes, lighting up at every small action. He saw how they kept tapping, exploring without getting frustrated. How simple gestures made them genuinely happy. Suddenly, "I've been trying too hard to make it perfect. What matters is how it makes people feel." He rushed home, opened his laptop, made small changes, simplified the interface, added fun little interactions, made it easy for anyone to use. Within hours, the app began to spread like fire. Messages poured in from users all over India. People loved how easy it was to use, how it made their daily lives better. From that day, Arjun lived by one rule: do today what others postpone for tomorrow. And if there is one lesson from Arjun's story, your dreams will not wait. Your life will not pause. So why should you? If this story inspired you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a story that could change your life.